Hey guys, Tashdila everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make veg chowmein, which is very simple and easy recipe. Before start the video, I will request you, if you are visit my channel first time, please don't forget to hit notification bell and subscribe button. So here is the vegetable ingredient which is I'm gonna use. So if you want to know proper ingredient list, don't forget to check my description box. One tablespoon soy sauce, half teaspoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon water. That's it in sauce. So once add all ingredient, you have to mix properly and set aside. So here I'm using fresh noodle. So if you don't have fresh noodle, so no worry, you can use packet noodle also. Now boil the noodle 5 to 6 minutes in normal flame. Check the noodle is cooked or not. Add 2 cups cold water, and this way your cooking noodle is not cooked over, so it will stop on time. Now we gonna remove the water. Spread the noodle and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So apply the all of noodle, so this way it will not stick each other the noodle. Once it heat the oil, now this time we gonna add garlic and onion. And next we gonna add carrot. And finally we gonna add capsicum and cabbage. So mix the all vegetable very nicely. So I like to keep my vegetable little crunchy. So if you want properly cooked, so you can fry for a few minutes more. Add half teaspoon of salt. Now side the vegetable, and one side we gonna fry the noodle. Add the noodle and top on the noodle we gonna add the before made the sauce. So this way your all noodle color will change nicely, make brown color, and your vegetable color will keep fresh look. So this is not necessary, this step you can just put directly also. Once you mix all, now this time we're gonna mix with vegetable. Also I'm gonna add some green chili. So green chili is not necessary. If you don't like spicy, you can definitely skip that. Now fry in high heat for 30 seconds. So you don't need to cook over because we already cooked everything before. Now mix it well, and now it's ready to serve. Okay guys, so this is my final result. My veg chowmein is ready to enjoy now. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and bring to more recipe. Please share with your friends and family, and all them enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye.